Advanced Program. The exercises in the advanced level have been designed for a more comprehensive total body conditioning type workout. They emphasize total body balance and coordination. Strengthening exercises are performed utilizing medicine balls, kickboards, and exercise tubing. We have divided these exercises into upper body, lower body, and core exercises. Let's get started. To begin, warm up by walking forward, backward, and sideways for 5 minutes. It's important to warm up and get the blood flowing to your muscles. This will help prevent injury and soreness. Advanced upper body exercises. You will want to perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions each, or perform 3 to 4 minutes of each walking exercise moving in both forward and backward directions. You can use fins on your arms and legs for added resistance, as well as the ExerSwim propulsion system for an increased challenge. The following exercise utilizes a medicine ball. Walking with ball, pass behind back. Start with the ball in your left hand. While walking forward, pass the ball under the water behind your back to your right hand and bring the ball around to the front of you to complete the circle. Repeat this exercise several times, then pass in the opposite direction. The following exercise utilizes a kickboard. Walking forward, trailing with kickboard. Hold kickboard with both hands, arms extended behind your back. Walk forward with proper posture while trailing the kickboard behind you. The following exercise utilizes exercise tubing. Standing bicep curl. Stand in a staggered stance position with back to seats and one foot 12 to 18 inches in front of your other foot. Hold the handles of the exercise tubing in both hands, arms straight down at your sides and palms forward. Curl your arms up toward your chest and return to starting position. Keep your wrist straight during this exercise. Bending your wrist can put unnecessary strain on your arms. Advanced lower body exercises. You will want to perform 3 to 4 minutes of each walking exercise moving in both forward and backward directions. You can use fins on your arms and legs for added resistance, as well as the ExerSwim propulsion system for an increased challenge. The following 2 exercises utilize a medicine ball. Lunge forward with ball. Hold the medicine ball in front of your chest. Lunge forward with one leg. Hold for 5 seconds and then return to starting position. Repeat this with the other leg. Lunge lateral with ball. Hold the medicine ball in front of your chest. Lunge to the side with one leg. Return to starting position and repeat with your opposite leg. The following exercise utilizes a kickboard. Kickboard knee flexion extension. Stand with your left foot on the spa floor and your right foot on a kickboard. Slowly bend your right hip and knee to a 90-degree angle. Return to starting position. Switch legs and repeat this exercise. The following 2 exercises utilize exercise tubing. Lunge with tubing, pull straight arm. Stand with your legs shoulder width apart. Grasp the handles of the exercise tubing in both hands with your arms slightly in front of your hips. Keep your arms straight and lunge forward with one leg while pulling handles behind your body. Hold for 5 seconds and then return to the starting position. Alternate your legs. Squat with tubing pull. Stand with handles of exercise tubing in both hands. Perform squat while pulling handles straight back. Hold for 5 seconds and return to starting position. Make sure you don't let your knees go in front of your toes when you are squatting, as this can put unnecessary pressure on your knees. Advanced core exercises. You will want to perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions each, or perform 3 to 4 minutes of each walking exercise moving in both forward and backward directions. You can use fins on your arms and legs for added resistance, as well as the ExerSwim propulsion system for an increased challenge. The following exercise utilizes a medicine ball. Ball chop. Hold the medicine ball above right shoulder with both hands. Bring the ball into the water diagonally past your left hip while twisting your torso toward your left hip. Repeat and switch sides. The following 3 exercises utilize a kickboard. Walking kickboard push down. Stand with your legs shoulder length apart and the kickboard floating in the water in front of you. Place both hands on kickboard. Step forward with one leg. Stabilize your abdominals and push the kickboard down under the water. Allow the kickboard to return to the surface. Step forward with your other leg and repeat the up and down motion. Walking kickboard push, pull. Hold the kickboard vertically in front of your chest. Step forward with one leg. Stabilize your abdominal muscles and push and pull the kickboard. Step forward with your other leg and repeat the push and pull motion. Plowing with kickboard. Stand holding kickboard vertically in front of you with both hands, elbows bent at sides. Quickly walk forward while stabilizing your abdominals. You have just finished the advanced portion of this video, and now it's time to cool down. Take the next 5 minutes and walk forward, backwards, and sideways. Congratulations, you did it!